A horn relay is an electromagnetic switch that controls the electrical current flowing to your car's horn system. This small but crucial component protects your steering wheel switch from handling high electrical loads. When you press the horn button, it sends a small electrical current to energize the relay coil. This creates a magnetic field that closes heavy-duty contacts inside the relay. Once the relay contacts close, full battery power flows through the relay to the horn, providing the high current needed for proper horn operation. There are three main types of horn relays used in automotive applications: 3-pin, 4-pin, and 5-pin configurations. Each type has different capabilities and applications. The 4-pin relay is by far the most common configuration in modern vehicles. It provides the perfect balance of functionality and simplicity for horn applications. Now let's examine the pin configuration of a 4-pin relay in detail. Understanding these connections is essential for proper installation and troubleshooting. In a 4-pin relay, each pin has a specific function. Pin 85 connects to ground, providing the return path for the coil circuit. Pin 86 receives the positive control signal from the horn button. Pin 30 is the common terminal that connects directly to battery positive, providing the power source. Pin 87 is the normally open contact that connects to the horn when the relay is activated. This configuration creates a simple but effective switching system. The low current coil circuit controls the high current horn circuit, protecting your dashboard switches from damage while ensuring reliable horn operation. Proper wiring is critical for safe and reliable horn relay operation. The foundation starts with appropriate fuse protection and correct wire sizing. Wire gauge selection is equally important. Use 14 to 16 AWG wire for horn circuits to safely handle the electrical current without overheating or voltage drop. Proper installation requires mounting the relay in an accessible location that's protected from moisture and vibration. Most importantly, ensure solid ground connections to prevent voltage drops and erratic operation. Modern vehicles are moving beyond traditional relay systems. Many now integrate horn control through CAN bus networks, allowing for more sophisticated control and diagnostics. Some manufacturers are transitioning to solid-state switching devices for improved reliability. These electronic switches have no moving parts and offer enhanced durability. Modern horn relays incorporate advanced safety features, including fail-safe mechanisms that ensure emergency horn functionality and overcurrent protection to prevent damage from electrical surges. These modern advancements in horn relay technology provide enhanced reliability, safety, and integration with vehicle systems while maintaining the fundamental principles of proper wiring and installation.